Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip explains how to identify functions that are shifted with k outside the parenthesis by a certain amount k outside the parenthesis or a certain amount inside the parenthesis. The original function is the blue one, so it crosses the y-axis at -4 and goes from -4 to -2 and over 1. So it goes up 2 over 1, so the slope is 2. So we could say y equals 2x minus 4 is the original function. And they're saying that this function is shifted with the k outside the parentheses, so it's just shifted up by, well, from -4 to -1 is a change of 3. So I could say that the f of x plus 3. So just add 3 to the function outside the parentheses, and that will just shift that up by 3. And here they say that the shift is outside the parentheses. How much has it shifted up? Well, the original function, well, it crosses the y-axis, the blue one, so it crosses the y-axis in between 3 and 5. It crosses the y-axis at 4. We'll say it's right on. And going from this one right here is at 1, so going from 4 down to 1, I had to go down 3 and over 1. So there's our function of x. And it shifted outside the parentheses, goes up or down. This time it went down from 4 to 2. So this function is shifted by 2 in the negative direction. So I could say plus -2, so that it's easier to see what k is. Typically we write not just like that. Anyways, k is a -2. Outside the parentheses there. Now they're saying that the k is shifting inside the parentheses, so it's left or right. The original function crosses at 2. And so I go, to get to the next point, I go down from 2 to -1, so I go down 3 and over 1. And if I look for a point that's to the left or right, that one is to the left by 2. So my function is shifted to the left by 2, so I need to add 2. So my k equals 2. And the original function here crosses the y-axis at 5, and going from 5 to 8, so I go up 3 over 1. So that's my original function. And just looking for a place that is left or right of that one, goes from 0 to 2, so f of x minus 2. So in this case, k would be -2. So shifting to the right by 2.